Preparing for the interview. Slide 1. Students, in this lecture, you will be studying how to prepare for an interview. The interview for a job. So you need to prepare this lecture very carefully. You may also gather information from books or from internet, and you may add those points or information that you collect to these current slides. So now I'm going to read it out for you. Qualification for the job. Suitability for the specific job is judged on the basis of academic preparations, work experience, job-related personality traits. When you are invited to interview for a position, the interviewer may already have some idea of whether you have the right qualification based on a review of your resume, but during the interview you will be asked to describe your education and previous job experience. Pre-employment test. 3 types of employment tests are frequently administered by companies. For example, job skills test, psychological test, drug test. Preparing for a job interview. Preparation is mandatory for a job test. The best way to prepare for a job interview is to think about the job itself. You have to consider the following points before you go for an interview. Learn about the organization. Planning for a successful interview. Think ahead. Slide 2. Interview strategies. What strategies you can use for an interview? These strategies are very important and necessary as well. You have to take into account these strategies, and then later on when you apply for a job and you prepare for an interview, you have to put into practice these strategies. You may be asked such questions. What was the toughest decision you ever had to make? Why do you want to work for this organization? Why would we employ you? If we hire you, what changes would you make? Can we offer you a career path? What are your greatest strengths? What are your greatest weaknesses? What didn't you like the previous job you held? Where will you be after 5 years as you work for this organization? What are your salary expectations? What type of position are you interested in? Tell me something about yourself. Do you have any question about the job or organization? You have to read these questions carefully, and then you may find out the answers. You may think about the answers and prepare them for your interview. Bolster your confidence. You should exercise perfect confidence during your interview. Consider yourself the best candidate for the job. Polish your interview style. Staging mock interview with a friend is a good way to improve your interview. Plan to look good, to look like a winner. Dress conservatively. Be well groomed. Smile when appropriate. Interview for success. Be prepared for the interview by taking proof for your accomplishments, arriving on time, waiting graciously. Slide 4. Consider the following points and prepare yourself accordingly. The question and answer stage, dealing with the questions, listening to the interviewer, discussing salary, when to negotiate, what to negotiate, interview notes, application follow-up, a letter of acknowledge. So these points you need to take into account. Keep these points in your mind before you interview, and then you can prepare for your interview in accordance with these points.